Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to revise the past simple of verb to be, that's verbo essere. Past simple can be translated into Italian with passato prossimo, imperfetto and passato remoto according to the context. The past simple of to be is I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, they were. And please remember that there are no contracted forms. The negative form is the following. I was not, you were not, he, she, it was not, we were not, they were not. And in this case, we also have the contracted form. I wasn't, you weren't, he, she, it wasn't, we weren't, they weren't. Please don't say weren't, but use this pronunciation, weren't. So, question form and short answers. So the question form is, was I, were you, was he, was she, was it, were we, were they. So we change the positions of the subject and the verb, as usual with the verb to be. Short answers. Were you at school yesterday? Yes, I was. Was I late? No, you weren't. Were they at the cinema last night? No, they weren't. Was Susan sad last weekend? Yes, she was. So we have the usual construction. We use verb to be in the past simple with the expression be born, nascere. So, when were you born? And the answer can be, I was born in 2006. Where were you born? I was born in Italy. So pay attention to when were. My parents were born in England. My great-grandparents weren't born in Italy. So remember that we use the preposition in with years, and years are usually read in couples. So 1989 is 1989, l'anno 2000 is 2000, proprio 2000, 2010 2010 or 2010. And gli anni che finiscono con il 00 si leggono con le centinaia. For example, 1800 is 1800, diciamo 18 centinaia. So please remember that. We use the preposition on with dates. So remember, in with years and on with dates. And to express the date in English, we use the ordinal number. So we say on 1st June, for example, I was born on 1st of June, on the 2nd of December, second, don't say second, it's second, on the 3rd of April, so that's third, on the 5th of March, on the 12th of August, so pay attention to the numbers and the written form, and on the 22nd of July. Bye bye.